And I was coming back from Mexico and I saw this in Narita airport, and I was actually seeing the diamonds by the yard, but I think this one looks better. And the price is also really good. I'm gonna show you guys. This is my first ever Cartier. Oh my god. This is my first ever Cartier piece. So they gave me a few things. There's actually like the certificate. It just says like the serial number. The serial number that this is 18K, 75% gold, or 95% platinum, and it is 20. I don't know if it's wrong for me to show this because like, I think people from China like copy this for like replicas. But I think they have like proprietary. Okay, I think they have their own fonts, so it's hard to mimic. They also have the stamp and there's embossing. You can tell people how to make replicas. Okay, so it comes in like this. So because I got this at duty free. I love the color. I'm Chinese, so I love red. I'm Chinese by name. And it comes out like this. It's so pretty. You know what I'm saying? You press it in. I don't know, okay. It's empty because this thing is the piece. I'm wearing it right now. It's a bit long, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut it. This is actually, so the back looks like this. This is actually the extra small version in yellow. I tried the small and I thought, okay, that one, but I tried this and I actually like this one more. And of course I love the price, it's so much cheaper. This was like 3,000 ringgit, or like, how much was it in yen? I don't remember. Oh, I think it was 98,000 yen. Yeah, this one was 98,000. Yeah. I also bought Mickey Moto and I'll feature that in the next video. So I like the chain and how it sparkles, and I like the bevel edge of the stone. Is it clear? I think I can feel it like under the sunlight too, so you guys can see more clearly. I think the length is a bit long, but I'm kind of okay with it. It looks kind of carefree. And this thing I plan to wear like as my everyday piece. They told me not to shower with it, but I do it anyway. I should say it on camera, right? Like, is it white like warranty? So no, actually I don't wear it in the shower. Because they say like it's hollow here, so like things can get trapped inside the glass. I like that it has a trap here as well. Actually, I kind of don't like this idea at first because I feel like when I take sauce, like it would just like dip into sauce. I think it's okay. So okay, but I'm like, it's like I think it's virgin keys, and I'm eyeing on the Van Cleef and Apple's one nice designs. I went the straight on the bracelet. I think bracelet is really fun because you can really like see it when you're bored. And necklace is more like for other people. I'm gonna bring it in like this. So I'm gonna give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. I don't mind. I think it's cute. Anyways. I think it's okay. But in the line. So I don't think the extra small is that small. Wait, it's there. The small one was 4,000 and a few hundred. I took a picture of the price. I'm gonna figure out the so you guys can see. So this is like how it came in, like this box. Ding ding. And the bracelet. I think it was easier to see, like, I don't know. So this is under the thumb. I like the chain, I like how it looks. And I also really love the necklace. I would get the necklace in the future. I think it's about 5,000. I like the price. I think the Tiffany and Co one I've tried, but the chain was longer and you have to cut it, and I like the chain of the Cartier one and I like the beveled edges. But for the Tiffany and Co one, I think the 5 diamond is really nice. That one was like 17,000 ringgit. Yeah. The 3 diamond one was like 10, I think. And the 1 diamond one I forgot. My wrist feels really naked without my bracelet. So it looks like this. I'm gonna measure it for you guys as well. Okay, this is too short. Okay, let's see. So the length is like 19.5, and for the shorter hole it's at 16.5 centimeters. 19. And then the longer hole is the longer hole is at 18.5. The shorter hole is about 16.5, and then the whole thing is 19.5 centimeters. And it's easy for me to wear myself. And there's also like engraving on the clasp. It says 750 for like yellow. And then this is PG. I know PG1, I don't. And TYB979. I think that's the serial number, and at the back it says Cartier. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, like right here. Yeah. And the diamond. It's so pretty, like it's really small and subtle and delicate. I do think it's really worth the money spent because of the packaging and the charm and the edge. I'm really happy I got this. I'm really thankful to be able to afford this. And yes, I'm showing this off. That's the whole purpose of this video. But I think because I'm like not rich, so this feels like a big deal to me. Like it feels like an accomplishment or like a goal. I think if you're really rich, you wouldn't care about like buying all these things. Like this is just like chump change. But for me, it's something. Like, okay, I was lying. It's kind of difficult for me to do it. Okay. Yeah, I got it. I've got it. I think I've really wanted this since I saw it on magazine on Lena in Vivi, but that was the Tiffany and Co one. And then I've tried this before COVID. It was like 4,008 in Malaysia because Narita airport is 10% cheaper, and I don't think they increased that much in price for this one. I think it's the love bracelet they do. The love bracelet was 31,000 ringgit in Japan, the normal version. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, once again, it looks like this. All things like that. The box, the thingy, it looks like it has its right here, and the box, and the certificate, ding. Then the power of this box. I think you do get like a lot of stuff for this one. I like how my nail like matches. Okay, that's all. Bye, guys.